Is your SEAT Leon Mk4 or Ateca key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. These fobs typically use a CR2032 battery. To replace it, gently pry open the fob casing using a small flathead screwdriver or coin, starting at the keyring end. Note the battery's orientation before removing the old one. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up and carefully reassemble the case. Ensure it's securely closed to maintain water resistance. Finally, test the remote functions, locking, unlocking, and trunk release. If the remote still doesn't work after battery replacement, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean gently with isopropyl alcohol. Ensure the new battery is good. Test it with a multimeter if possible. If problems persist, the issue might be a faulty circuit board or antenna damage, requiring professional repair. To prolong battery life, avoid exposing the key fob to extreme temperatures or humidity. For Leon Mk4 models, check the SEAT Connect app for firmware updates that might resolve key fob issues. Consider digital key options via smartphone for newer models to reduce reliance on physical batteries.